In this video, we'll learn the characters ga, gi, gu, ge, go. Before we begin, let's talk about the dakuten. The dakuten is a marking that looks like quotation marks on the top right corner of a character. Adding a dakuten to a character changes its consonant sound. For example, this character, ka, would change to ga. There's a total of 20 characters in Hiragana with the dakuten variation. To review, what is this character? Ka. Ka with the dakuten is pronounced ga. Ga. Egao. Egao. Kega. Kega. Kaigai. Kaigai. What is this character? Ki. Ki with the dakuten is pronounced gi. Gi. Kagi. Kagi. Kaigi. Kaigi. What is this character? Ku. Ku with the dakuten is pronounced gu. Gu. Kagu. Kagu. What is this character? Ke. Ke with the dakuten is pronounced ge. Ge. Kage. Kage. What is this character? Ko. Ko with the dakuten is pronounced go. Go. Ago. Ago. Ugoku. Ugoku. Eigo. Eigo. We learned the characters ga, gi, gu, ge, go. In the next lesson, we'll go over the characters sa, shi, su, se, so. See you in the next video!